Today I found this bin filled with tons of pictures from the flood. And as you can see, many of them are just very, very damaged. That one is of Keith and Ari. I had a few that were laminated like this, so the picture itself got protected. But most of them, like when I was younger, here's one when I was a cheerleader in high school. Keith's family when they were little. Here's one that turned out, you know, that one's pretty good comparatively, but that one of me and Mama was not very good. This one of Keith and I. This is actually when I was pregnant with Mary. Here's one of me that you really can't tell anymore. Here's a me in ART. No, that was actually me active duty with my roommate, Holly. Keith's sister. Here's another one of Mari. Those are not leaves either. That's just how messed up the picture is. Here's Mari's take me home from the hospital picture. Here's one of her Christmas newborn pictures. Found a couple like this that just the outsides are ruined. Not too terrible. And then there's these ones that just, I don't know where the negatives are, if they got thrown away or not. They just are really damaged. And I'm not even quite sure this
Is this a cutting board or something?
the majority of how the pictures look that I just had to throw away because you can't hardly tell. They were just, I mean, here's one of us as a family that's just gone. This is a friend's daughter from a while ago, but that one, it's just, they're so badly, I mean, some of them are so bad, you literally can't even tell what they were. Here's one of a close friend from high school when I went to visit her. These somehow all made it okay. They actually are in really good condition, but most of them, again, like this, just really, really damaged. Again, I had found these laminated. One of Keith and I when we first got married. But then ones like this, they're just really significantly damaged. You can't really do anything about them though. And then one of my favorite pictures of her and I, and it's just pretty severely bad. This was even my bridal shower book. Unfortunately, it's really blurry now. These didn't used to be blurry. And that's not the camera, those are the pictures. Can't really tell it, but that's me and someone else. I can't tell who it is. These all used to be very easy to recognize. And this one of me. It's about one of the best ones. It came out nice, but look how ruined the picture is. Same thing with this. Anyways, it's a quick video, just kind of the more damage of what has happened with everything. As a matter of fact, forgot about this. This is my baby album that's been permanently, oh, there's a picture of me, AIT drawing blood. But this is my baby album. That's what's left. This one is one of the better ones where at least you can still see. But most of them look like, well, even those aren't too bad. A lot of them are like this. Kind of can see me there. So, and this is Marmar's scrapbook that's just pretty badly damaged as well. There's a picture of my grandpa. There's a picture of Mari. This one, I couldn't believe it. This is Keith's family. It's on a Christmas card. It's only a little damaged, not terrible. Anyways, that's kind of a thing what I happened to find today with how badly damaged they are.